Vai, Veicinho, vai, Veicinho.
Oh. Yeah, Leandro.
Caralho, que onda, hein? Tadinho, massa. Manda mensagem pra aqui, cara.
Oh my. Tough one. Tough luck.
Bora, Dinho.
Yes!
Boa.
Oh. Sorry. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. Oh, and we just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Yeah, Pedro. Go. Fucking hell, man. Oh, best POV skim wave of my life. That's surf time. Haha. Oh.
My legs have never felt this tight in my whole entire life.
Your legs are just fried, huh?
Yeah.
Yep, so are mine. Running in the sand here and just going up and down the slope of the beach is like the most exhausting thing ever.
I don't know. And then sprinting for your life to catch a wave.
Yep.
And then not catch it for 3 hours.
And that was only the first session of the day, Gary. Your legs went...
Dude, it's like firing.
Hell yeah,
like,
it's pretty dang firing.
the fact that like your body just gives out, but your mind is still like
wanting to go
yeah. Is like torture almost.
Straight torture.
But
Now we have to paddle. It's time to paddle.
I basically would try for probably like 20 waves, and then on the 21st
You'd get one.
wave I'd get like a sick one, and then I'd be like, oh my god, and then I go for another 20 waves and not catch anything.
Yeah, and then your legs are just toast.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll go if you don't. We're going doubles. Wow. Woohoo! Fly, fly, fly! Oh my god. Oh my god. the Sanunga Cave. Check out the cave. You know you got a good cider when you're connecting into the cave. Look at this thing. Woo! Sanunga Cave. Oh, look at that. What? Haha. We're taking a little nap in the Sanunga Cave. Check this out. What? Oh, session of a lifetime. Sanunga's going off and there's only like 4 or 5 of us skimming it. It's probably one of my favorite Sanunga sessions I've ever had. Plenty of waves to go around. Legs are staying warm. But man, are they not going to work tomorrow. All right, we're back out there. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Heiner. Woohoo! The homie is just chilling in the chair. Woohoo! Never been more fried in my entire life. My legs can barely go one in front of the other anymore. We just did basically the equivalent of a 40-yard dash every 5 minutes for 7 hours. Absolutely smoked. Lucas's stamina is on another level. That kid has gone for probably 100 waves today. 140-yard dashes. Out of control.
We were there from 6 a.m. to 5:45 p.m. all day, and we ate one meal. Right here, yeah.
Yeah.
That's where you point it. And as you've seen in that video Blair took, I was waddling back to the hotel. So I think I have shin splints from running at Sanunga, which I've never experienced in my life skimboarding. So here are the symptoms.
Shin splints.
What are shin splints? Aching or dull pain down the front of one or both legs. Shins that are painful to the touch. Pain that worsens during or after exercise. Pain that improves with rest. So it looks like I'm permanently the filmer for the whole trip.
You're in the bed for a minute, buddy. Permanently in that bed right there.
I'll be droning Sanunga from here.
You're a Sanunga cider survivor, though. You survived, buddy. Good job.
The heart is still beating.
Time for a beer.
Yeah.
Good night, Gary.